So it's midnight, or almost 5 minutes to midnight. You're at Baldi restaurant in my kitchen. Everyone is gone. It's finally time for me to be alone and think about what happened during the day, and also sometimes come up with new recipes for tomorrow. And I came up with I think it's a really good idea. It's called Midnight Cooking Diaries with Edo Baldi. What we're gonna do is do simple recipes that I cook for myself at midnight when I'm getting hungry before I go home and when I am about to close everything down. So I hope you enjoy them. We're gonna do simple ingredients put together very quickly that anyone can do at home, and very genuine, clean dishes at midnight. And we might even invite some of our guests here, if they stay long enough, to join and see me cooking and putting the things together, and maybe have a glass of wine. Let's see what happens, okay? But we're gonna start with one simple recipe. It's a puff pastry pizza with sun-dried tomatoes and chèvre cheese. So I hope you join me for the first episode coming up, and thank you very much.